This video will show you how to use Venmo for goods and services. You should open your Venmo and tap Pay or Request, which you can see right here or here. And at the bottom, then enter the username, amount, and what you're buying or selling. After that is that before sending, toggle on the turn on for purchases switch. This labels as the payment as goods and services transaction. Buyers get Venmo purchases protection covering eligible items if there's a problem like you didn't receive the item. Sellers pay a small fee, currently 1.9% plus 10 cents for the protection and to comply with Venmo's seller policies. Use this only for authorized goods and services. Don't turn it on for casual payments like splitting dinner or rent. It'll charge the seller a fee unnecessarily. And that's it. Use goods and services and Venmo to buy or sell with confidence. Safer for buyers, secure for sellers.